Significant economic losses. One-third of Asia-Pacific nations face annual economic losses of at least 6% of GDP due to climate-related events like floods, heat waves, droughts, and cyclones, according to UNESCAP. Average annual loss, AL. The AL across 30 Asia-Pacific countries averages 4.8% of GDP, exceeding 7% in Fiji, Myanmar, and Pakistan, and reaching nearly 11% in Cambodia. Vulnerable economies. 11 countries: Afghanistan, Cambodia, Iran, Kazakhstan, Laos, Mongolia, Myanmar, Nepal, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, and Vietnam, are particularly vulnerable to climate risks from a macroeconomic perspective. Rapid urbanization and infrastructure. Rapid urbanization and weak infrastructure, especially in coastal areas, intensify climate risks and losses. Sectoral impacts. Agriculture faces up to a 14% reduction in rice yields by 2050. Coal and oil-reliant countries face economic disruption due to the renewable energy transition. Fishing stocks could decline by 30% in tropical regions by 2050. India's vulnerability. India could face a 24.7% GDP loss by 2070 due to climate impacts, ADB estimates. Extreme heat in India. India could account for 34 million of the projected 80 million global job losses by 2030 due to heat stress. 4.5% of India's GDP could be at risk from lost labor hours. Rising sea levels in India. 32% of India's coastline experienced erosion, 1990 to 2018, increasing flood risks in coastal cities. Extreme weather events in India. India ranks 6th among countries most affected by extreme weather, 1993 to 2023, with $180 billion in economic losses. Circular economy. Asia-Pacific countries should promote circular economy systems to cut emissions. Green innovation. Encouraging climate-tech startups in areas like carbon capture and renewable energy production and storage. Climate-resilient infrastructure. Invest in flood-proof and heat-resistant infrastructure to protect urban areas. Loss and Damage Fund, LDF. Scaling up the